All right, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time joining this tutorial, you know that basically what I do here is to show you opportunities that are available online and how to leverage on technology in the digital world. Okay, so as an educator, you need to learn how to leverage on different technologies in the digital world. Okay, so if that is what you're interested in, stick to the end of this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can see wonderful and interesting content like this. So if you remember in my previous video where I did the Zoom Unlimited, right, where you can do Zoom meeting above the limited 40 minutes. I showed you a trick on how to do that, right? So that trick is no longer working, and I'm doing the updated version today because a lot of people have dropped comments that what is the alternative? This is no longer working. So this video is a popularly demanded video, and I've done my research, and this is what I'm dropping today. So if it's something you're interested in, if you're interested in hosting a meeting with your students, with your team, and you want to exceed 40 minutes for free, for free. This is what you should use. Okay, so go straight to your browser, could be your Chrome browser. I use my Chrome browser. Type jitsi.org, jitsi.org, and this is where you land. You can, if you're using your phone, you can download it on Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. So you click on see it in action now, right? So you can either use it online straight or you can download it if you are using the desktop version of it. So I'm using the desktop version. I'm just going to click on see it in action right now. I don't want to download it. So one beautiful thing about it is that you can just without downloading it, you can just send your link direct to your student and your student can join your meeting immediately. Okay, so your student can join your meeting immediately. All right, so I'll type in my name. My name is Tosin. So I've typed that, then I'll click on join meeting. Now, before you join meeting, you can go ahead and invite your students or the people, the people you want to join. So click on that and click on copy, right? Copy it and send the link to them on their WhatsApp, on their Telegram, or wherever you want to send it. You can also share the invitation by clicking on this, sending it through any of this platform, Gmail, email, and whatever. So once you've done that, so let's get straight into the meeting. You click on join meeting. So if you have sent the link to your student, they will be on this platform right now. They will be able to join you and see whatever you're doing. So let me just talk briefly about some of the features of this and the advantage of this to Zoom. One of the advantage of this to Zoom is or one of the advantages of this is that you can exceed 40 minutes. You can use 5 hours depending on how good you are, like your conversation skill. If you can talk for 10 hours, good for you. So you can also record your video if that is what you want. It has a lot of features. Your student can share their screen at the same time. Probably you've given them assignment, you want them to share their screen. They can help you that at the same time by using the feature over here where it says stop. It says start and stop sharing your screen, right? You can also toggle title view. Okay, then you can also do more actions. So see what we have. Performance setting, you can view full screen, security, start recording if you want to record. Then this is where we have it. This is the free version, right? Though we have the pro version of this, but the free version, see a lot of features came with it. Start live stream. So you can start live stream immediately right now. You can also share your video, you can share your audio, you can suppress the noise. You don't have that on Zoom. You can suppress the noise in your environment by clicking on this. Then you can also change your background. You can change your background. Let's say you want to select this background. You want any of this background, you can change your background by using any of those things over there. Okay, so let's just make use of one. So see what I got. So you can so you can change your background. You can select another background and change it. And if you don't want any, if you want it to be slightly blur, okay. So you can just change whatever you want. Okay. Now let's get back to business of the day. Now the only thing about this Jitsi is that you don't have a whiteboard for the teachers. You don't quite have a whiteboard that you can easily use, but this is the solution. Before you start saying, "Oh, I said it," this is the solution. Okay, I've come with a solution. There's a problem. There's always a solution. So, what is the solution? The solution is very simple. Uh, I'm going to drop a video on how you can create that. It's called mirror board. Board allows you to have a visual board that you can use in a virtual meeting. Visual board on a virtual meeting. Okay, so you will just go and create that mirror board, click on it, create an account, then we'll start streaming. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to drop that video below this description. So go there and check how to create that if you don't know how to create that. So let me share my screen with you and see how it works. So I'll go right here on the tab. Chrome tab, you can see my first board, online board for visual collaboration, right? So click on that, and that's my board, right? That's my board. So I can go ahead and explain anything to students. I can come here to pick my pen, come here to pick highlight. If I want to highlight anything, and just play around it to understand how it works. Okay. A lot of pictures here. You don't even have up to that on your Zoom. Okay, so if you want to draw shape, you want to type, or you want to change the color, you want to type, you click on this place that says T and you start typing. Okay, so what else? More tools. You can use more tools if there's anything you want to do. If you want a chart, you click on that. So I don't know if you have this on your Zoom. Oh, this is amazing, isn't it? So you can make use of a lot of things, a lot of pictures for teachers there. You want to have a sticky note, it's there. And a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot. You have to try this out. Okay, you have to check it out. You can also bring in your notes from your Google document. Okay, you can bring it down here to put this place it side by side and start working on what you're doing and start doing your project. Okay, so you can do, after doing the whole thing, you can also export your page. So there are a lot of pictures here. All right, so you can even put in presentation mode. Let's say you're done with whatever you want to do. So presentation mode allows you to just change the slide, and you can drag it, drag it, drag it. Okay, so that's a beautiful one, right? So I'll stop sharing this and let's go back to class. All right, so that is that about that. Then you can come right here. If you want to record the session, you can just click on start recording. So, but before you start recording, you have to sign in with you have to upload whatever you're recording to your Dropbox. So you should create a Dropbox account. If you don't have one, you should create a Dropbox account. Okay, so create that and get started. If you like this tutorial and you want to try it out, please don't forget to do that and drop the feedback in the comment section. Okay, if you try it out and you like it, drop the feedback in the comment section. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. We're going to attend to you. Okay, and if this video is interesting, is amazing to you, please go ahead and give me like, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to share with someone that needs it. Okay, so share it with someone that is looking for an alternative to the unlimited 40 to the limited time on Zoom and doesn't want to subscribe. So you can share this. This is totally free. Totally free. As you can see, I've spent a lot of minutes and it's not going off. So go and try it. Try it and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Drop me a feedback in the comment section. Let me see and let me know what you feel about this. Okay, so I'll see you and catch you later. All right, bye.